Hi there shoppers, today I'd like to show you an amazing product for your kitchen, and this is the product from Cusimax, which is a dual oven air fryer, perfect for busy cooks and also for large families because it's large. We can do many dishes inside. So let me show what actually we have, how it works and all the specifications. So the air fryer oven, it's actually stainless steel and it comes with a series of accessories. So first of all, it comes with the instruction manual. Make sure to check it out before using it, and also it comes with 18 months warranty. Also make sure to register before using it. Now for the accessories itself, here we have the rotisserie fork. Here we have the actual handle to take out the chicken or whatever you put on the rotisserie. Here we have the dipping tray, which is very useful. You just remove it from the oven and you clean it. We have the actual tray that you can use it inside, and this is the mesh tray. So basically this is a multifunctional oven with all the accessories included. So this is the menu of the oven. So this is basically a 16-in-1 air fryer and oven, which has the top and bottom parts both heated, and it comes also with the adjustment of the temperature from 40 to 220 degrees Celsius. Now here on this menu we have 16 options that you can choose from: chicken, defrost, wings, dehydrate, steaks and so on. Here you can choose the temperature, the time, go on manual. Now to start the actual fryer oven, you just press on and it goes in, and you have this button right here which you can rotate, and you are choosing automatically the options that you want. Now here we have the top heating, rotisserie, bottom heating preset also option. So if I'm going to, for example, go on the skewer because I want some chicken skewer, then I'm just seeing that I have the top heating, bottom heating. I can choose from here if I want to activate them, and I also can choose for presetting. You see here the timing. So it's very easy to use actually on manual mode, and also to adjust the temperature. This is a very unique feature that I never seen actually on any other like ovens and air fryers, because this is a combination between air fryer and oven. Now if you want both of them activated, which is obvious for a skewer, in order to start the oven you just press the button on. So the air fryer oven has this big window that you actually can see inside what you're cooking, which is very pleasant, when you're cooking something and you want to see inside if it's ready or not. Now inside itself we have basically 3 shelves, and also you have the space to put the rotisserie. So in order to put the rotisserie, it's quite easy. So you have these 2 parts right here. Make sure that when you're putting inside, you fit this hole right here, and you just stick it right on the space that you have it in the oven, and that's it, is done. So as soon as you start the rotisserie, it will go around like this. I'm going to show you in a second. Now before starting your oven, make sure to put the dip tray right inside, and also you can put the mash tray right here and cook your veggies or whatever you want, and you can also put a tray just on top right here. So you can see as many options it has, this oven. So you can do your meat, you can do your veggies, everything in one side. And in order to remove the skewer, basically you take this handle, put it inside because it has these things right here. Just grab it, easy as that, and it's so easy to remove with everything what it has on top. In order to cook whatever you want, you don't need oil because it's an air fryer. You just put your condiments and maybe slightly oiling it just with a slight bit of oil, and you put inside, and automatically it's healthier, it's less calories, and also it's very consistent and it's faster than a regular oven. Now what we have to do, we have just to take our potatoes and to put them on the mash. My sweet potatoes fries are going to be ready in as little as 20 minutes. To select the program, it's very easy. You're just choosing your options right here. French fries, you have 220 degrees Celsius, 20 minutes, press on, and you can do whatever else you like while your food is cooking in the oven. Another good feature of this oven is actually the lights, that you can activate it at any time, and even if you don't have lights in the kitchen, you can see everything what is your food doing inside due to lights and due to also this nice window. So when the food is ready, you can hear this beep. So basically what you can do, you can open the oven and it's automatically stopping. And using cloth, make sure not to put your hands inside when it's hot. So these are my sweet potato fries, very crispy, very dry, and I didn't even use any bit of oil inside. So I also made in a few minutes kale crisps, and they turned out actually amazing. So this is my favorite snack when I'm hungry, and I just adore them. So this is the 14.5 liters oven and air fryer from Cusimax, which does an amazing job by rotating the hot air 360 degrees inside the actual oven. So you don't have to put any oil inside, and it has less calories, and you have, first of all, healthier food, faster, and as well in large capacities. So I do highly recommend it. Go and grab yours.